What's going on, everybody? Ben Barreto here with Coldwell Banker, and I wanted to show you 3124 Vera Drive in North Knoxville off Fairmont Boulevard. It is a gorgeous home in an incredible area. Let me just flip this around. Don't mind the car, but it's a big lot. Great small starter homes, but look at this yard. So I'm gonna have an open house here on Sunday, but I thought I would let you check out the house first. This is it right behind me. It's had lots of updates done inside, and they're still not finished. If you check out, go to my page. I'm sure that there's a post with a picture of the open house and time and everything. There's more than likely a link in there, and if you click on that link and go check out the profile, you'll see that the owners are leaving some things blank so that the new buyers can come in and make choices on what they want done. I don't remember what they were off the top of my head, but just another reason for you to go to my website and check that out. So here's the house. It is a one-level home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. If I remember correctly, it's like 1,500 square feet, but let's go inside and check it out real quick. Again, you got a nice big yard. Actually, you know what? It's live. I've got information in my car. Let me get that for you. This house is listed by a friend of mine, Taylor Levin, another Coldwell Banker agent. She is a badass. She sells a lot of homes. And she asked me if I would host this for her. And I said, well, hell yeah. Hell yeah, I will. So, it's priced at $225,000. That's not what I need. Here's what I need, and that's not what I need. Did I bring it with me? Well, luckily I didn't bring the MLS print off, but I brought the open house flyers. So this is, just read off the top. This is built in 1943, but it's going through a renovation right now. Completely down to the studs and rebuilt from the inside out. 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, listed at $224,900. The renovation was done by Holly Homes, and it's a corner lot. Luxury vinyl plank floors, brand new kitchen, new carpet, paint, new windows, appliances, and more. It's still time to pick your front door color, tile choices, and much more. So let's go check it out and see what the inside looks like. Getting off my shoes here. So here is the living room. Pick your front door. As you can see, if you look here, the framing is not in the door yet. So yeah, you can still pick your front door. Here are the hardwood vinyl plank floors, fresh paint. And here's the kitchen. You've got a carpet family room right down here. You've got some attic space. One bathroom. Is the power on? Yes. So the bedroom's big. Oh, look at that. This must be the master. So this is a pretty big, pretty good sized room. Man, almost don't want to walk on the carpet. And it's a big bathroom. Look at that step-in shower. You got a little shelves over there for towels. And then you turn the corner, you got another bedroom here. A little bit smaller. With a deep closet. You got a laundry room off to the side. Brand new water heater, brand new AC unit, and a bedroom at the end of the hall. With another deep closet. So that's the house. I hope the open house is going to be this Sunday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. It's going to be pretty straightforward open house with COVID rising and everything. There's not going to be snacks. There's not going to be water. But I'll be here to answer questions. Feel free to stop by. Bring your agent if you have one. If you don't have one, come talk to me. You definitely want an agent if you're a buyer. I'm going to do you right. That is the home. I hope you guys liked it. Again, this Sunday from 2 to 4. I hope I see you here. Have a good one, guys.